In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record reimbursable expenses in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing business expenses for a team or handling costs for a specific project, knowing how to accurately track reimbursable expenses is a vital part of maintaining clear financial records. QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and efficient, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure your records are complete and organized. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive into the process. First, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top left of the screen and click the New button. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of transaction options. From this list, select Expense. This will take you to the expense form, where you'll input all the details for the reimbursable expense. Next, in the expense form, you'll need to choose the account you use for reimbursable expenses. This is essential because it ensures the transaction is categorized correctly. If you don't already have a specific account for reimbursable expenses, don't worry. You can create one right from this screen by clicking Add New. A setup window will appear where you can create the new account. Here, enter a clear and descriptive name, like reimbursable expenses, so it's easy to identify later. Then choose the appropriate account type and detail type that best matches the nature of these expenses. When everything looks good, click Save to create the new account and return to the expense form. Now that your account is set, it's time to fill in the other details. Start by entering the payee. This could be the person or vendor who was paid for the expense. Next, select the payment method used to cover the expense. This could be cash, a credit card, or a bank transfer. After that, set the transaction date. Make sure this reflects the actual date when the expense occurred. Moving on, you'll need to fill in the category line. Here, select the reimbursable expense account you just created or chose earlier. This step ensures the expense is properly allocated in your records. Then, in the description field, add a meaningful explanation of the expense. For example, if it was a meal during a business trip, you might write client lunch on September 15th. This extra detail can help you or your team easily recall the purpose of the expense later. After that, enter the amount of the expense. Be sure to double-check this number for accuracy. If you have a receipt available, it's a great idea to attach it to the transaction. QuickBooks allows you to upload receipts directly, which can be very helpful for future reference or audits. Finally, use the Memo field to add any additional context, such as the project or purpose the expense relates to. This can be particularly useful for tracking reimbursable expenses tied to specific clients or jobs. Before you wrap up, take a moment to double-check all the information you've entered, the numbers, dates, and descriptions. Accuracy here will save you time and prevent confusion down the line. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save and Close to record the reimbursable expense. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a reimbursable expense in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.